Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can split color grade your videos on CapCut PC. Copy and paste your video, go to mask and select split, and you can split it like halfway or maybe like split it like this way and feather it out a little bit. Go to filters or maybe adjustments if you'd like to. I'm just going to go to filters so it's easier. For instance, I want this filter on the top half of the video and just put it like inside of the video so only the top part gets affected. And then I want maybe this smoothie fall one for the trees, so I'm just going to add that in, and you'll have this really cool like split in half color grading technique. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching.